Hey there, YouTubers. My batteries were getting very low. I needed to recharge. So I'm going out and gonna find a little piece of nature. We all got a spot we like to go recharge at, so I'm gonna go to one of mine. So doing a nice little drive to get to the nature I want to see. Top's down. Yankee thing is on. Good to go. Let's hit a state park, huh? Okay, I drove here in the car with the top down, so that was a good start. I've been back here before. I'm just going to go to a waterfall. It's a good battery recharging place for me. In the winter when I'm here, you can see all the way down to the water. We can hear the water running, but with the trees you can't. So let's go. Camera can't really pick it up. Getting closer. That's a nice little pad. You see the water. "10 minutes from my house." It's in bed. Birds chirping and everything. I think I feel some raindrops. There's the waterfall. Sit here for a minute, charge the battery. My battery. That's a big rock out there. Some flowing water. And this might be the perfect spot to just sit and be. 10-15 minutes, just sit and be. Yep. This is going to be the spot. Alright. Sit and relax, and when I'm done, I'll be back to being me again. The stress will be gone. I highly advise to people out there, just sit back, relax, soak it in. It'll help you. It's good for you. It's good for the soul. That does it. I wasn't fortunate enough as some that didn't actually doze off. That'd be awesome to be that relaxed. But it really does help. Perspective is a wonderful thing. I might walk up a little further. Another nice spot. The cameras never do anything justice. No matter if common, this is relatively common, or the oh my god inspiring stuff. They just don't do it justice. Looky there. There's another good sitting rock. Right there. There's a nice little area too. Sound of running water. Life. Okay, maybe I need to max out the battery. There's a low fence, a good view. This is my spot. Top this off. Whether you're an RVer, a wannabe RVer, a full-timer, every now and then, whether you live in a big city, out in the country, wherever you are, take a couple minutes, stop, remember what's important. Little shit like this helps you. Take a few minutes to find your center. Ferris Bueller, right? Life goes by pretty quick. If you don't stop every now and then, you just might miss it. Seems like a good way to end it. What a great and wonderful day. Every time I'm going to turn back, I'll find something else just sitting and looking at. Climbing back up. This takes me up by that road. Kind of like this better in the fall without the leaves. Yep, that's where I am. If I take that path right there, I'll go by the top of the waterfall. Decisions, decisions. Well, I sat today and spent about 20 minutes at least just in calm. It works. Seriously, get out there, people. Doesn't matter where, just get out there. Okay, here I am sitting again. And I remembered there's stuff worth seeing further down this trail. Seen it before, and I liked it. So I'll go see it again. I'll probably like it again. Check this out. I'm serious again. Nothing all that special, you know? This ain't the Tetons. This ain't Yosemite. Friggin' nice though. Nice little stone wall. This is going to be my last sit battery recharge. You see down there, there's a little waterfall. You can hear the thunder of it. I'm going to sit there and relax, and I'm going to head home. All better. It's actually pretty far down there. Nice. It's a little bit of overlook. And then this. People, you're killing me. Can't be bothered. I will take this to the garbage.